Well, hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, live from the plush Lansing hub of MLive. And hey, I forgot my phone at home, so I can't answer any questions. Sorry. So I'll give a shout out to everybody as we start. How does that sound? Hey, good Monday morning. Hope you had a good Super Bowl weekend. And let's get into the weather. It's pretty short and simple this week right now. The main thing is finally some sunshine today. Not full-blown sunshine, totally sunny, but at times nice sunshine. We will be cooling down over the next 24 to 48 hours, and then we're going to drift back to almost normal cold. Upper 20s, low 30s for high temperatures is going to be real common for the next week to 10 days. So not extremely cold, but definitely back to about what we're used to for this time of the year. And yes, we're looking at a snow coming, it looks like sometime Thursday into Friday. Here it is, satellite picture. Haven't been able to show you this in a while. It's just, there is some sunshine out there, breaks in the clouds. And again, there are some patches of clouds too. So you won't get entirely clear skies, but you will get some sunshine and mild temperatures too, by the way. All right, so what's going to happen this week? Well, like I said, first off, we get the cooler air oozing in. Now, here's our surface map forecast. We go into tomorrow. And what's interesting on this one is the cooler air oozes in dry, maybe some drizzle or a light rain shower or something like that, but you don't see any precipitation as the cold front comes in from the north. That's kind of odd for this time of the year. There's usually something going on. Now we get into Tuesday night, then we get into Wednesday, and in the far south there could be some snow showers, but notice the moisture gathering to the south, and that moisture is what we will be seeing when we get into Thursday, it looks like. Let me adjust this just a touch for you here so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. And again, I apologize, folks. All I can say is hi, Betty, and hi, Joe, and hi, Dave from Owasso and Grand Rapids and Flint and Detroit and Ann Arbor. I forgot my phone. So, I was driving here. We got a big meeting, and I was driving here and said, should I go back and get my phone? I thought, no, let's do it like 1985 when we didn't have cell phones. We'll talk to people when we get to wherever we're going, and we'll talk to our wives and husbands when we get home. So here's Wednesday night, Thursday, and that looks to be an accumulating snow, something definitely to keep an eye on because look at where the moisture is coming from the south. So those could always be sizable. Hangs on into Friday, moves off to the east, and that's the kind of track we're getting into, the next storm system forming. Now, this is way out into the future. This is almost 8 to 10 days out. Another one like that, and another one forming off to the west. Point being is, and I wrote about this, I think, last week, that we're going into a stormier pattern where we're going to be just on the cool side of that, and that means we could actually have some snowstorms here in Michigan in February. Imagine that. Now, again, an early look, but here's a look at how much snowfall we could get out of this system coming later in the week. So we're into Tuesday, and it looks like Tuesday's still pretty good travel conditions. And we're into Wednesday, and it looks like Wednesday could have some light snow in the far south. And then we go into Wednesday night. This is Thursday morning. I'm hearing from you teachers. You teachers need a snow day, something desperate. You're dying. I think there will be a couple of snow days in February, and this one has a different timing. It's not a Saturday snow or a Saturday storm. It's a Thursday storm. So maybe it'll happen for you. I don't feel for you because I've never had a snow day in my job. I always work on snow days. So this is into Thursday and Thursday night and Friday. And I wouldn't dwell on the numbers. All I want to dwell on is the fact that it looks like we will have an accumulating snow on the way. Now, today you can dwell on these numbers if you like it. temperatures in the 40s to near 50 degrees. Southern half lower, northern lower, you're warm for this time of year, mid to upper 30s. UP, you're warm this time of the year too. Tomorrow, still fairly mild. Those are high temperatures in the morning hours, temperatures mid to upper 30s, 20s to the north. And then by Wednesday, we settle into about normal conditions for February. By the way, let me check this for you to make sure I'm giving you the right perspective. I am. Okay. By the way, you know what happens about anywhere between February 3rd and February 7th? The average high temperature starts to go up. So we've held in January at most places, southern Michigan, let's say 30 degrees. This week, we go from 30 to 31 on the long-term average high temperature. That means that the sunshine is gaining power, and we continue to go up. We go from 30-ish to I think 34, 35 by the end of February in a lot of locations. So just shows you that we're starting to gain power from the sunshine. So here's our Wednesday temperatures, and here's our Thursday. Those would be temperatures cold enough to support snow, upper 30s, upper 20s, low 30s. And here's our Friday and our Saturday and our Sunday. So what I'm calling it is a cool down rather than turning cold. Let's look at the extended forecast, and we'll just look at the temperatures for right now. And here's the 6 to 10 day forecast, leaning toward warmer than normal, although I think it's not warm. It's just maybe 31, 32, 33 will be kind of common, maybe 36 in southern lower. 8 to 14 day forecast. And then this is the forecast issued last Friday for the last part of February, and they come up with warmer. Also notice, though, that the precipitation is expected to be above normal. So we are in that track where we have some storminess on the way and probably on the cooler side of the storminess. So again, a recap. Today, we get some sunshine off and on. We get temperatures into the 40s and light winds, a very nice day. Tomorrow starts to cool down, and then the storm system comes into the area Wednesday night, Thursday night, maybe lingering snow showers on Friday, and it is a wintry type system that we'll keep an eye on. Doesn't look monstrous, but it looks like it would be an accumulating snow at the travel times of Thursday. So we'll keep watching that for you. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa live from the MLive Lansing Hub in downtown Lansing. I can see some brightness up there. Enjoy.